So the next problem we're being asked to do is a little bit different and a little bit more difficult. Two sides lengths of a triangle are given. We have to find the range of possible values for the third side of the triangle. We're not told anything else. So here we are given two sides of the triangle, and this first number 11 is 5 and 12. We've got to figure out what are the possible range of values for the third side. So there's really two cases to consider. In one of the cases, the third side is not the largest side. Okay, and in one of the other case, the third side is the largest side. Okay, because we don't know. You know, the third side could be the largest or it might not be the largest. So if the third side is not the largest, then that would mean 12 has to be the largest. And by our triangle inequality, the sum of the unknown side plus 5 would have to be greater than 12. So let's let, in both cases, the third side equal to x. Okay, so if the third side is not the longest side, then 12 is the longest side. And we have to have 5 plus x greater than 12. If the third side is the largest side, then it's greater than both 5 and 12, and x is the longest side. So by the triangle inequality, we have to have the two smaller sides, which are 5 plus 12, greater than x. So let's solve these two inequalities. If we subtract 5 from both sides here, we get x has to be greater than 7. And all we have to do is add these two to find out 17 is greater than x, which is the same thing as saying x is less than 17. Well, if you think about it for a moment, both of these have to be true at the same time. Because x is greater than 7 is only true as long as the third side isn't the longest side. But as x gets larger and larger, it reaches a point where it becomes the largest side. And once it becomes the largest side, it has to still be less than 17. So the answer to this question is a compound inequality. Okay, you might remember these from Algebra 1. These both have to be true at the same time. X has got to be greater than 7, and 17 has got to be greater than x. Okay, so let me rewrite it again. 17 is greater than x, which is greater than 7. This is the range of values from 7 to 17, not including either end. Another way we can write this is 7 to 17. X equals 7 comma 17 with parentheses, and these parentheses are shorthand for not including the endpoints. Okay, so if we drew this on a number line, this would be the same thing as, let's put 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 over here. It would be an open interval here, and an open interval here at 17, and everything in between would be included. So you could write it in one of either of these three ways. This is called interval notation. This is using a compound inequality. And this is using a number line.